Welcome to Summer's World. Today I'm going to be opening a Light Up LOL doll. And remember that day when I opened that hair one? I loved that one. I've been playing with it lots of times. It's fun. I like the necklace from it. So where's the zipper? Light up zipper and look. Light. It's hard. I've had two of these now because it's. And do you know there's still at the front? I've actually got her. That was on my first Light Up LOL doll anyway. Is this? Oh. Are you really kidding me? Oh, guys, quickly before I open any more of the wrapper, look. I don't know what that one says. See, guys?
Glow up.
It's glow up. That's why it's glow up. Glow up. Now I'm going to put that on here. I'm still not doing this piece of wrapper. Well, now I have. Where's the zip? Where is the zip? I just thought that was the next zip piece. But there's the little bit. Sometimes I go from the bottom to the top because I can't help it from the bottom or the top. It's hard. Oh, and
okay.
So my mum just helped me look because it was hard and she just paused it too. Hopefully this bit is going to take off with all the bits. No, it's okay guys. Because there's more bits here. I'm done. Gonna do the next layer. And look guys, look at the holes. I like the patterns though. Where's the zip? Look, another light up zip. Can you hear it? Did you just hear it when it's just like, because it's a little bit spiky. You can see a little bit. Yeah, it's a little bit spiky. I just did it all on once. Now I'm opening it. I opened it. It's a black bit and a yellow bit. And there's an orange bit for it. It's so light. Yeah, I'm going to open this bit anyway first. Hard. I think these are going to be shoes because there's two things in there. It needs to be shoes. It's hard. It's hard. So my mum just helped me open it and she paused it. And look at those little bracelets. I thought they were shoes, but no, my mummy said that they're just, we don't know what they are, but no, they're bracelets. Now, yeah, I'm going to put them in there. I'm going to put that in there too. I hope this one's not going to be hard to open. Because if we just pause, like that colouring video. Oh. I can do it with one teeth sometimes. Yes! Guys. Look, this is how. Well, look. So, like, 1 minute. Well,
you've got to pull the thing out the battery.
Look, I did do that. So now, you see, look, it's purple. It's the special laser for it. No, nothing else. Nothing else in it. Put this bit down. That was the bit out of that piece of battery. It's so hard to open these things. Guys, I think I actually know what this one's going to be. I bet this one is going to have curly hair because I've looked on the page when. That's why these are the shoes. That's just like the bracelets. Look at those shoes. And it's hard to open it. Well, let's just open that one. Easy. And I should have got that one too. This time I'm going to show you this because I don't know what it says though. We'll open up then that one because I think that one's going to be the doll. Flower bottle. It's just the same as this, but it's not clear on this. Well, it's not clear on that one, but it's clear on that. What else in there? I knew it was going to have one of those in it. Except now I think I know which one it's going to be. Yes, it's that one.
Ooh, let's have a look.
She's doing splits. Mummy, we need to help me get these splits down. It's hard. Well, now let's see what it is. Who it is, kind of. Let's see if it's the one that I thought it was. It was! 1 minute. Do you know those bracelets? They weren't bracelets. Because look, this is armbands. It's her, and I knew it was going to be her.
Bring it closer so we can have a look.
You know what those bits are? Well,
the name is NSYNC.
Ooh.
And she's swim club. And that thing what she's got for her head is actually a swimming mask. Swimming cap.
I'm going to put that back there. I'm going to show you this too. Oh my gosh, there's a lot of pages coming out. That's big. It's still got more bits to do. Okay. Look. So that's the first bit.
That's all different languages, darling. You need to turn it around and show us the English pictures.
Those are all the pictures.
That tells you what to do.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
now we're going to pause so we can get her dressed and show you the end result.
Bye. So my mum just paused it and she helped me get her dressed. Do you like it? I kind of like it. That's her bottle. And do you know my other one? Look.
This is the other lights glitter one you've got, isn't it?
Yeah, and it's poops or...
No, it's called Optical.
It's optical, yeah. And if you like the hair, go in the comments. I like it. But these glasses, if these glasses don't match there. Well,
Because she broke the other ones by accident.
I didn't, because the glasses and that bit is just went that way, that way, that
Yeah.
way, that way.
So, where's your black light then? Where's the light that you got with it all?
1 minute, we dropped it. Look.
So with every LOL surprise, you always get one of these black light reveal lights.
Yeah,
Two.
not on all of the other adults.
No, just this series.
So, let's see. Look at the hair there. It's not hair, but yeah, look. You can see on your face.
Anything. So they always reveal. So they say it reveals a surprise.
Reveals nothing. Can't see anything.
Can't see anything.
I can only see green.
The best
Ooh, the
thing, you
hair.
have to wait for the night time more than anything. Oh, she's just deheaded her.
Look, I'm trying to take this head thing off. See if the reveal is on the head.
You're best doing it at night, to be honest, when it's dark, so it's quite hard to see in the day.
And in one night we're going to record it.
Well, so yeah, tonight we'll record it in the dark. Yes. So that we can add it to this video so you can all see. Okay? Right.
So let's see on the hair before we go. Oh look, it's pink. It's pink. If there's no pink there, what is it? Look, so pink. It's in here. And do you know this girl? So it cries, it wheezes, it spits, and all the other stuff that they do. And I don't know how to put it back on. Bye! Give me a huge thumbs up. Thank you for watching. And tomorrow's video we are going to do a food channel.
Subscribe, everybody.
Subscribe.
Thank you.
Bye.
Hi, everybody. It's Summer's mummy here. So, Summer's in bed and she wanted me to test the LOL dolls out. Obviously, this is the torch. So this is the one, obviously, what she's had before. You can, with the black torch, black light. Feet a different colour. It's all neon, look at her hair. The same here. Quite fun. Okay. Please subscribe and keep liking. Share and subscribe. Bye bye.